guys, Christina here. I'm back with another video. So this video is a continuation of the previous one because the previous one I've shown you guys what I packed for an overnight stay. So now naman I'm gonna show you guys yung mga dadalhin ko na mga skincare and makeup for an overnight stay. So yeah. Okay, first, ito papakita ko sa inyo here. Lapit natin yung camera so that hindi siya maging super shaky. So, para lang you can see. Alright, so of course, it's very important because we're going to the beach. I am bringing this Nivea Sun Ultra Beach SPF 50+. It's very high SPF because yung init dito sa Australia is very dangerous. I would say very harmful siya for the skin. So, parang yung super dry na heat. So, yeah. So this is good for me and hubby. I am, of course, bringing ito, yung deodorant. It's Dove Original, and I'm bringing my hairspray because if I feel like putting my hair up, so I use hairspray para yung mga small hair hindi lalabas na parang, it won't be too crazy. So that's that. And of course, because I'm wearing contact lenses, I'm gonna bring this one Renew na contact lens solution. And then for my lotion, I'm just bringing this Body Shop na almond milk and honey. I really love this. This smells super good. It smells so good. Body butter. Yan ang dadalhin ko. Because it smells super, super good and really hydrating. And I'm gonna bring this parang travel toothpaste and toothbrush and then floss just in case lang. Pero because it's a hotel, so I'm sure meron din silang mga toiletries. So I'm not gonna bring like shampoo or mga sabon because ano naman yun, hotel. So I'm sure they have it. Yun. For my skincare, I have this. I have these small things. Oh, before that, I'm bringing an extra contact lens just in case something happens to my contact lens. Or the one I'm wearing. I usually bring an extra just in case lang. Ganun ako, I'm the just in case girl. And then I'm bringing 2 face masks. One in the evening and then one in the morning if ever I feel na medyo dehydrated yung skin ko because of the sun. So at least I have one for the morning as well. I have these tiny mga skincare, Korean skincare. These are from Innisfree. So I have this one is the green tea serum. This one is like the toner, parang ano tawag ito? Green tea balancing skin EX. Yan. And then this one naman, balancing lotion. So parang moisturizer naman siya. So I'm bringing all 3 because I'm sure my skin will need it because sobrang init doon. And then I'm bringing etong Laneige na sleeping mask. Water sleeping mask. And then I have the moisture essence, and then I have the moisture cream. So these are like travel minis. So I like these tiny ones because like ito overnight, so I don't want to bring yung mga full size na product. And then I have this from Clarins. This one is cleansing milk naman siya. So I'm gonna bring this kasi overnight lang, one night lang, I'm sure this will be enough na for me. Oh, I forgot. I should bring my makeup wipes pa pala. I almost forgot. But anyway, I'm gonna bring that as well. So, bring my makeup wipes. Of course, I have this. Itong hard case na to is from Laura Mercier. And then, I'm bringing my brushes, of course. So, yan. Ito yung mga brushes na dadalhin ko. So, these will be just enough. I have like a fluffy brush for my powder, in case I want it. And then blush, eyeliner, highlighter, tapos pang mga eyes. So, yan. So, these are the brushes I'm bringing. These are the Zoeva brushes. And then, for my eyes naman, for eye makeup, I am bringing this one. This is the Anastasia Modern Renaissance. Yan. Bringing that. I'm bringing one extra na lashes. This is from, from Kiss. Ayan. Itong lash na to. Tapos, ingay ni IC. And then, of course, this one naman, I have ito for my kilay. And then, concealer from NARS. Last pouch, I have ito yung aking BB cream now that I really love. This one has SPF+. plus plus plus. So this one is really good. I use this every single day and I don't break out with this BB cream. So highly recommend that. And then because magde-date night kami ni hubby, so I am bringing this one, Becca Backlight Priming Filter. So this one, pang base before I put that for our date night. Tapos during the day, I am bringing these two. So ito yung aking cheek tint na from the Face Shop. And then this one naman is a liquid highlighter naman siya. So pag nagbi-beach or sa may dagat ka or magsuswim, usually ayoko ng powder. I like using mga liquid kasi mas ano siya, parang, I don't know, parang I feel like mas nagtatagal siya sa skin. Yan. So ito, dadalhin ko siya. And then, of course, I'm gonna bring this, Becca, because first of all, dahil sobrang ganda ng packaging niya, sturdy. Tapos, yung mirror niya super laki. So, it's enough. Usually, ito yung ginagamit ko pang makeup. And then, it has the blush and the highlighter na. So, yan. Kaya dadalhin ko siya. Yan. So, that's that. For my accessories naman, I am gonna bring ito. Lagi ko siya dinadala. I know it's an overnight stay, pero medyo maano kasi ako. Hindi ko sure kung ano yung gusto kong suotin. These, I'll wear these naman going there. Ito, parang statement earrings kasi siya, so I like them. And then, I have my earplug. Yan. Ito, parang silicone siya na maliit. So, I'm gonna bring that. That's para, kasi yung ears ko, guys, medyo na-damage siya when I was a kid. So, may maliit na butas yung right ear ko. So, I can't do diving. I can't swim. Pag nag-swim ako, pag napasukan siya ng tubig, hindi siya yung normal na parang sakit na nararamdaman ng tao, walang butas yung, like, walang damage yung tenga. Ako, kapag napapasukan siya ng kahit konting water lang, super sakit talaga. So, kaya kailangan ko talaga nito. Or else, di ko lulublob yung ulo ko sa tubig. So, yan. And then, I'm bringing 2 pairs of, actually 3 extra. So, this one, mini pearl earring siya. So, kapag nasa beach, gusto ko may earrings pa din ako. So, I like wearing itong pearl earrings. Very affordable lang naman to. Sa Manila ko pa to ata nabili. Sa Green Hills yata. So, yan. And then, I'm bringing this one, yung stud earring na ito. Just in case. Ano ba yun? Hindi nag-focus. Ayan. So, stud earring na ito. Para if ever I don't want to wear the floral one, then I can wear this. Tapos, ito yung pearl earrings. Tapos, ito yung meme ko na stackable rings. And then, I have this one na bigay sa akin. So, I love this for the beach. So, I'm gonna bring that. And then, I have my Farah Abu earrings. So, ayan, they're super statement earrings siya. So, I'm gonna wear this on our date sa gabi. Yan. Kasi, di ba yung white? I'm thinking, pag sinuot ko yung white, and then I'll wear this earring, I think it's super ganda. So, yan. So, that's what I am bringing. And then, of course, kailangan may sunnies tayo, may shades. So, I was thinking of either ito ba yung dadalhin ko or I have other sunnies pero hindi ko siya, what do you call that? They're not as effective as this one. Kasi this one, sakop na sakop niya yung buong mukha ko. Ayan o, buong mukha talaga. So, parang sakop na sakop niya and I really like how it looks. Parang sobrang ano niya, I can wear it with anything. So, ito na lang talaga yung susutin ko. Diba? Key Australia times benefit. Yan. Super love. Mura ko lang to nabili. Kano ba to? Mga $60+ siya. So, sulit na siya kasi I use them every single day as in. And when I travel, I really love them. So, yeah. And then, I am gonna bring, and of course pala, ayan, I'm bringing a sponge. Andito sa loob ng sponge. And then, of course, this one, I'm gonna wear it going there. Tapos, I have my contact lens na lalagyan. Tapos, I have my suklay. Puro mga, travel-friendly lang talaga. Tapos, yung Lucas Papaw ko, of course, kailangan ko yan. Tapos, yung oil paper. Ang pabango naman, I'm not gonna bring any other pabango kasi ito yung dadalhin ko. Apogee ba to by Louis Vuitton? Ito, binigay lang sa akin to parang nung nagpunta ko dun sa Melbourne na branch. Ito siya. Very tiny lang siya, but I love the scent, you guys. Super ganda. Sobrang bango niya. Ayan. Super bango niya talaga. So, I'm just gonna bring this kasi ito parang isang spray lang, tas I do this. Sobrang bango na niya. So, yan na lang yung dadalhin ko. And then, ito, this is, na-discover ko lang siya the other day. Ito, this is what I'm wearing now. Bale, ano siya? It's a Canmay Tay-On Balm Rouge Lip Color UV Shield Moist Charge. Yan. It's a Japanese product. Sa Kawaii ko siya nabili here sa Australia. And this one, may ano siya, UV shield siya. So, meaning, kapag nasa beach ako, protected pa rin yung lips mo from the sun. Kasi again, you put everything like sunblock sa face mo and everything, but then, usually we don't apply sunblock sa lips, diba? Kasi, syempre, ang pangat na lasa. But, this one, it protects the lips from the sun. So, it's amazing. It's super moisturizing. It doesn't dry my lips. My lips are really, really dry. And when I apply this, ang ganda ng application. Very moisturizing siya. So, alright. So, that's that. Yan yung mga dadalhin ko tomorrow. So, ngayon, magtitimo na ako. Siguro nagtataka kayo, summer, bakit naka-fluffy na jacket ako, no? Because pag gabi, guys, ang lamig. Pag maaraw, mainit. Pero pag gabi, guys, super lamig talaga. Like now, ang lamig. Naka-shorts ako, pero naka-medyas ako kasi nilalamig yung paa ko. Tapos, I wear this. So, this is enough. Hindi siya katulad ng winter na super lamig. Pero, it's cold enough na para magsuot ng ganitong, top. Yan. Nabili ko pala ito, guys, sa, Green Hills ko lang ito nabili. Siguro, kapag sana umuwi ako ulit ng Pinas, I miss the Philippines. Super na-miss ko na. Anyway, so I've decided pala, guys, that I'm not gonna bring yung tote bag anymore. I've decided to just bring ito. Ito na lang dadalhin ko. Pakita ko sa iyo. Ayan. So, there. I'm just gonna bring that. Instead, it's a small na luggage. But, I think it'll be easier for me to use that instead. Kasi, ko siya, parang I'll be dragging it sa street. Medyo mabigat kasi siya kapag naka-tote bag ako, tapos meron pa akong yung isang beach bag ko. So, dalawa, diba? Sobrang mabibigatan na ako. And then, so I've decided to just bring that na lang. So, mas practical, guys. Mas practical. So, yeah. That's that. I still have plenty of space. So, ayan, yan yung gamit ko. Tapos, I'll bring etong mga to. Everything will fit there. So, saktong-sakto lang. Yun. Anyway, that's that. I'm gonna set up everything na. Tapos, tomorrow, pagka, I'm not sure, hindi siguro ako magva-vlog or magva-vlog ako. Depends sa mood. Kasi, it's for our anniversary. And, usually, pag ganun, I like parang just spending time, quality time, and not a vlog. Maybe, siguro mag-room tour na lang ako just to see. Kasi hindi pa ako nakaka-check-in dun sa Stamford eh. So, yun. Para makita natin kung gaano siya kaganda. Sana maganda siya. Kasi beachfront yung room na binook ko. Alright, so anyway, that's that, you guys. I'm gonna wrap this video na. And yeah, see you again on my next video. Bye!